Hello, my name is Mr. Faz Zawahir. I trained in the NHS in the field of plastic surgery in various London hospitals. I successfully completed a research degree in tissue engineering during my training. I completed my training with a fellowship in South Africa. I moved into the field of aesthetic medicine and founded two companies, Juvia Aesthetics in 2009 and MARTA, or Medical Anesthetic Training Academy, in 2015. I had the privilege of working with Sir Professor Bruce Keogh in the early 2000s in the NHS. The Keogh report in relation to the review of regulations of cosmetic intervention was published in April 2013, and as part of the Keogh review, they identified deficiencies in aesthetic medicine training in the UK. I drew inspiration from this and wanted to make a difference in this sector. So I founded the Medical Anesthetic Training Academy, better known as MARTA, in 2014.
Hi, my name is Dr. Manav Bauer. I'm a cosmetic doctor, a GP with a background in surgery. I've been a trainer for MARTA for over 3.5 years now, and I'm one of the trainers in injectable therapies. I decided to become a trainer for MARTA because they specialize in medical aesthetic training for healthcare professionals. Now, I did my training with MARTA many years ago, and so I thought it was a fantastic academy and I learned so much, and I wanted to be part of such a reputable academy that actually they are at the forefront of medical aesthetics, providing safe treatments for patients, and that's probably one of the most important things that we promote here.
My role here at MARTA is delivering training courses for the Level 7 qualification, which focuses on mostly injectable treatments. I also deliver training courses for our laser therapies and qualifications. I chose to become a trainer for MARTA because they were the first provider to offer the Level 7 diploma qualification. I do believe in training only medical professionals in injectable treatments, and I think this qualification really is giving a standard within our industry of academic and patient safety, and ensuring that practitioners have all the knowledge they need to set them up as safe practitioners.
I'm Angie Mackenzie. I'm currently studying the Level 7 postgraduate diploma, and I've been a nurse for 38 years. I previously worked mainly in general practice, latterly as an advanced nurse practitioner. I now have my own aesthetic clinic in Forfar called Lucio Aesthetics. I chose MARTA for my training because I wanted to make sure it was an in-depth course. They were one of the first to provide training in the Level 7 postgraduate diploma, and they only train people with a medical background, so I was reassured that it was going to be a good high standard of training. I've had the privilege of having 4 different trainers from different backgrounds, dentists, doctors and nurses, and they each bring different nuggets of knowledge that I can then use in my practice.
A typical day here at MARTA involves some theory presentations to begin with. This is a chance for delegates to ask their questions following doing all of their pre-course reading and exercises. We then like to give our delegates a range of models, so we do have busy days with lots of practical hands-on treatments. Consultation skills are covered during our training courses, and every patient that we see on the day will have a thorough consultation, going through the risks and benefits of the procedure and making sure that their expectations are realistic, which is a really big part of being a successful aesthetic practitioner.
My name is Craig O'Hara, and I've been coming for treatments at MARTA for about 3 years now. So when I first arrived, I wasn't really sure about what to expect, but as soon as I walked in, I was greeted by the friendliest staff. Like, they were just super lovely. The place was really clean, really bright, so I felt like I was in a really good place.
We are part of a working aesthetic clinic, so we see patients day in, day out, as well as having fantastic facilities to train delegates at the same time. So the whole clinic really understands that whole patient journey and the importance of treating patients with the best possible care.
After the consultation, I actually felt really confident. There was some students in the room and they all examined my face, they marked up my face, so I just felt like everybody knew exactly what they were about to do. So overall, I'm extremely satisfied with Marta. Like I say, the staff are great. I'm never unhappy with the result. I always leave feeling super fresh, and when the treatment sets in, I just feel great. So I just keep coming back for more. I've also recommended a couple of friends to come. In fact, one of my friends is with me at the moment as I'm about to have a treatment. So yeah, I'm very, very satisfied.
So one of the most important points is that our delegates train using real-life models. So our delegates treat patients in real life when they come to our courses, which we feel prepares them for when they go out to the real world on their own.
You get lots of practical experience with the many models that Marta provide. It's great that you don't have to worry about providing your own models. It's also good that a lot of the models get more than one treatment, so you get lots of experience with the different treatments in fillers and Botox.
So all of our courses have small class sizes with close supervision by our trainers, and we run our courses in a very relaxed manner, and this really allows delegates to ask as many questions as they like, get enough attention individually from the trainer, and really allows them to get as much as they can out of their training days. So a delegate's journey with us through their level 7 starts with pre-reading materials, so our delegates have access to materials prior to attending the course, so they can turn up on the day with knowledge that they can put into practice when they're there.
The level 7 diploma has also not just given me knowledge and skills about the products, the treatments and how to manage any complications. It's encouraged me to research and learn all about employment law, regulations that are relevant to the aesthetic industry, which have been necessary for me to set up my own business.
By completing the Level 7 qualification with Marta, you can be assured that it's a fully recognised qualification with Ofqual. This is awarded by the OTHM and it's also approved by the JCCP. As Marta was the first academy to be instrumental in the Level 7 development, you can be assured that we have a wealth of experience to support you through your course.
Marta have a specific Facebook group for support for all the delegates that are doing the Level 7 postgraduate diploma. So it's great, you get feedback and support from other delegates, but also the trainers are in that Facebook group. I've also had personal messages of support from a few of the trainers who are happy to give out their details and continue to support you. I think that's really important, and it gives me reassurance and confidence that I've got somebody there if there's any queries that I have.
Getting feedback from our delegates is really, really important, so we encourage this by asking for written feedback at the end of each of our training courses. This can ensure that we learn about the service we're delivering and make sure that we're continuously improving and adapting to the needs of our delegates. Marta really support us ensuring that we're up to date, which is essential when we're aesthetic trainers. So we get access to conferences, learning resources and regular meetings to discuss areas of improvement and training needs. So I feel fully supported by my team and leaders.
I would absolutely recommend Marta for anyone thinking about coming into aesthetics. You're guaranteed to get good, knowledgeable trainers, good premium products, lots of models and lots of experience doing all the different treatments.
The UK is behind in its regulations of the aesthetic medical sector. Because of this, I wanted to contribute to the improvement of standards and outcome of patient care. Aesthetic medicine has a power to transform patients' lives, and after seeing so many patients who have been negatively impacted, I wanted to contribute to raising the standards in the sector. We have trained thousands of doctors, dentists and nurses in the field of aesthetic medicine, and I gain immense satisfaction in knowing all of the delegates we have trained will go out and practice to a very high standard. Our aim for Marta is to continually improve and become one of the best training academies in the world.